Const keyword makes variables non-changeable after they've been set. So basically, you are setting the variable to be read-only and can't be changed. When you declare a function as const, you are promising that this function will not modify the object in any way. The compiler will enforce this rule. So if you are trying to modify a variable inside a const function, you will get an error. So let's create a class called loot, and we'll add a method that will be set to const, so it can only return the value of the loot. So we'll create our class called loot. So we want a variable that's the amount of loot. So we'll put int, call this one amount, and by default that is set to private, so we haven't needed to put the access specifier. We want our next method to be public. We want this method to return an int, and we're going to call this get loot. So this method's one purpose is to return the amount that we've got saved in this class. So we return amount. And now to set this method to be const, we put const on the end. And this would work in a header file as well. When you declare the method signature, you'd put const on the end. So we make a data type called loot, which is our class, and we'll call this coins. Now in the main function, write to the console. So we'll say console out left shift operator. We'll just give it a label called coins, little space, and then now we use our loot object. So we take our coins and we use the dot operator and we get loot. Terminator. So let's come up here and set an amount. So we'll just by default give this 100 coins. And in our get loot method, let's try and break our promise. So we'd set amount to equal say 50. And as you can see, there's a red squiggly line under amount that's telling us we've broke our promise. Cannot assign to a read-only type. So because we put the constant, it's telling us this method is not allowed to make changes. Can only be used like a read-only method. So this is handy when you have like to set a name, but also you'd have get name or set name, where get method should only be getting and the set method should only be setting. And if we run the console, we can see the error. Amount cannot be modified because it is being accessed through a constant object. The constant object can only read only. If you have any questions about anything I mentioned in this video, please feel free to leave a comment below. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.